Hello children, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. I'm Suchita Kothari and today I'm going to explain you the second lesson of class 3 from the book Marigold, and the name of the lesson is The Magic Garden. Children, this is a story about the magic garden which was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. So children, there was a magic garden in a school and there were many flowers like sunflowers, roses, poppies, pansies and marigolds, and they all were very pretty. The sunshine fell on this garden more than any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We had hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. So the little gardeners were the children of the school, and the flowers were very happy. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the little dear ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." What the little children used to do, they used to water the thirsty roots of the plants, and they loved the little children very much. "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." So the little boys, what they used to do, they used to dig the ground. "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." There was a little bird, and she said that she liked the little children because they bring bread for them to eat. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, "I love the marigold in its golden dress." The marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out, dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. So, this was the lesson about the magic garden which was in the school playground, and there were little children who used to water the thirsty roots of the plants and used to bring bread for the birds to eat, and the little boys also used to dig the ground. So there were fairies also, there were little birds, there were flowers, and the magic garden was very beautiful, and the children of that school was very happy with that magic garden. Now children, we will be doing some difficult words. So let's do the difficult words. The first word is magic. The second word is gardeners. The third word is playground. The fourth word is sunshine. The fifth word is golden. And the last word is dreaming. So children, these are few difficult words. The first word is magic. The second word is gardeners. The second word playground. Fourth word is sunshine. Fifth word is golden. And the last word is dreaming. Now let's do the question answers of this lesson. So, question number 1 is, why did the flowers love the little children? Question number 1 is, why did the flowers love the little children? Answer is, the flowers loved the little children because they water the thirsty roots of the flowers and dig the ground. Dig the ground. So children, as you can see, the first question is, why did the flowers love the little children? The answer is, the flowers love the little children because they water the thirsty roots of the flowers and dig the ground. Second question is, why did the birds love the children? Answer is, the birds loved the children because they used to bring bread for them. Second question is, why did the birds love the children? Answer is, the birds love the children because they used to bring bread for them. Question number 3 is, name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Answer is, five flowers growing in the magic garden are sunflower, pansy, marigold, poppy and rose. The last question is question number 4. What sound could the children hear in the garden? Answer is the children could hear sweet songs sung by the fairies in the garden. The last question is, what sound could the children hear in the garden? The answer is, the children could hear sweet songs sung by the fairies in the garden. Children, as you can see, I have drawn a flower on the board, and there I have written insects, trees, flowers, tools, birds and garden. Now what you have to do, you have to write 2 words in each petal. These are petals, so you have to write 2 words in each petal which you see in a magic garden. Now you can see here, name 2 words in each petal which you see in a magic garden. Now trees, any 2 trees which you can see in a garden, you have to write down the name. Flowers, any 2 flowers you see in a magic garden, you can write down the name. Now next is tools, watering can or something else, whatever tool you see in the garden, you can write it down. Birds, 2 birds, any 2 birds, and insects, the name of any 2 insects, write down in this petal. So this is an activity for you. This was the summary, this was the explanation of the lesson, the magic garden. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.